Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about first derivative by logarithmic differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to put about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. So capital A, that is about s, capital B, that is about s to the power of s. So for this one, we can put like this. Next, we need to do about first derivative for the both sides. This one in here, we have first derivative of y over y. This one we do first derivative s to the power of s multiplied by f and s. Later that we do first derivative of f and s multiplied by s to the power of s. This is about the product rule of derivative. Now, we know that this one that is about 1 over s. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So I will put about t equals to s to the power of s. Now we put about natural log for the both sides. And we apply this formula in here. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over s. So this one we simplify and we have number 1. Later that we multiply both sides by small t in here. So about t, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. So first derivative of this one, that is about this one. Next, s to the power of s, we can do about factorization. Next, we multiply both sides by y. And we know that y, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.